Hello everyone and welcome back to their 2022 Thomas Wooden Railway review. And today we're going to be taking a look at Henry here. And Henry was a character that I had wanted to get back when the pictures of the engines in this line were revealed. This was one that I had wanted to get, and I never got Henry. So I have finally gotten Henry now. And yeah, Henry looks like a pretty interesting engine here. He looks very big from what I'm seeing right here. And his face looks pretty interesting there too. So we'll have to take a more close look at that later. But yeah, this looks like a very interesting model here. And I'm definitely interested to see what it really looks like here. So yeah, you can kind of see on the box there. There is Henry, and then of course all the information there on the back and everything. So yeah, you can open these here just like this here. You press on this part here, and yeah, I'm definitely very interested to see what Henry will look like here. I don't think I'll probably unbox everything here on camera, just because there is usually a lot to unbox with these engines, but I'll try to do at least this part here on camera. And yeah, I'm interested too to see a size comparison between this version of Henry here and the 2022 version of Gordon, because Gordon is supposed to be bigger than Henry, but the Thomas Wooden Railway line has always depicted usually them as about the same size. So I'm interested to see how their sizes compare here in this new line. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and probably unbox the rest of that off camera, and then I'll show you Henry once I get him out of the box there. Alright, so I have gotten the twisty ties there on the back undone, and Henry here just falls right out. It looks like he has a bit of string here left on him here. But let me see, I think it's just attached to the front there. But yeah, so I got that off there. So yeah, so now Henry's completely out of the box here. And yeah, I just had to kind of cut some of and pull on some of the strings back there. And it looks like there's still one string left. But yeah, you just kind of cut the strings there, and then pull those cardboard pieces off there, and then the engine comes out. And then, as with all of the other boxes here, you can actually close it back up here. Now, I don't think I actually got a pamphlet with this one. I wonder if that's a mistake. Now, obviously, I have a lot of pamphlets of this new line, so I don't need a pamphlet, but I actually don't think that I got a pamphlet here. Now that I'm looking around, I don't think I took out a pamphlet, so that's interesting. Yeah, I'm not sure about that there, but I did not see a pamphlet there. I'm looking around, I don't see a pamphlet here. So yeah, so there was no pamphlet included in this box, which is actually pretty interesting. I believe I've gotten one in all of these boxes here, so I assume that's probably just a mistake. But yeah, that's pretty interesting there. But yeah, now that the strings are off here, we can actually take a better look at Henry there. So my first impressions here is that this seems to be like a pretty good model of Henry. Now, my problems with the line as a whole definitely still do kind of remain here with this model. Like, I don't like the design of the wheels. I like how the wheels are different sizes, but I don't like the actual design of the wheels. So that definitely still remains with this model here. And I also don't really like these specialized faces. I think I've talked about that in pretty much like every video I've done on these models. But yeah, that problem also remains with this Henry here. I actually like the smile there, but I don't like how the eyes are looking like basically to the upper right there, to Henry's upper left. I don't like that. I'd rather the eyes be centered there, and then I think that would actually be a pretty decent face there. But yeah, this overall model here I think looks pretty good. The actual detail of it looks very good here. And I feel like this looks pretty accurate to how Henry looks in the show. And some detail that I really like here, and this is on, I believe, most of the new models, if not all of them, all of the engines, as how there's this glow sort of in the fireplace, which is supposed to represent fire there, I believe. And yeah, I think that looks pretty good there as well. And another thing too that's pretty cool is this part here on the top, how you can see both of those things. That's different than basically, I think, any other Henry model, too, in the Thomas Wooden Railway line. I don't think we've ever gotten a detail like that before. And then another thing, too, that I like here is Henry's tender here. And this is pretty much something I like about all the bigger engines, tenders in this new line, but how big they are. because in the show, like, the tenders, this is more of a correct ratio, I feel like, from how big the engine is to how big the tender is. Whereas in the old Thomas Wooden Railway line, the tenders were pretty small, whereas this tender actually looks big, and it looks really cool here, and I definitely do like it a lot here. Yeah, it looks very nice there, and then yeah, so the wheels are different sizes there, so you can see how it's got like you can see what the wheel setup looks like there. Now I don't like how much plastic here is used. Like, you can sort of hear what that sounds like there. I don't really like that there. But then something interesting I want to do here is compare this Henry here to the new 2022 Gordon here, because I'm interested just to see, because in the Thomas Wooden Railway line, Gordon and Henry are always pretty much depicted as being the same size, but in the TV series, Gordon is usually bigger than, well, actually, he is bigger than Henry. And the models that they're based on in real life, the engines that they're based on, the engine that Gordon's based on is definitely bigger than the engine that Henry is based on here. But let me see if I can actually put these two on top of each other here. So, yeah, you can see, so my hand, so both of the tenders are touching my hand there. And then, yeah, you can see, so they are basically like the exact same size. Gordon may be slightly longer, but they look to be like pretty much the same size to me there. So yeah, that's a pretty interesting there. And then the boilers, I was gonna say Gordon's boiler may be bigger, but actually I think they're about the same size. So yeah, these models are actually very similar in size, which is not accurate there. So I was wondering if maybe we would get some accuracy there, but it turns out they're not really that accurate when it comes to the sizing between Gordon and Henry there. But I thought that would be an interesting comparison. Now, when you compare Henry to Edward, this definitely is accurate, because Henry is much, much larger than Edward. So that actually is pretty accurate in the sizing there. Yeah, that's definitely accurate there. So I'm definitely happy about that. As well, as you can see here, Edward only has 4, well, actually 8 wheels here, whereas Henry has 10 there. So yeah, definitely more wheels for Henry, which makes him longer there. And another thing I don't like about these models that definitely bothered me with Hero, hasn't bothered me with the other engines as much, but how small the actual cab here is. That's definitely not accurate. I feel like the cab should be much larger than it is depicted here. That's just too small of a cab, honestly. Definitely needs to be bigger than that there for sure. But it doesn't look terrible, but it definitely should be bigger there. And then also too, I feel like this part comes up too high. I feel like that should be a little bit lower, honestly, so that way you can actually see more of this cab section here, though. Now, something I want to do here as well, another comparison I want to make is to an old Thomas Wooden Railway Henry here. This is the 2002 Henry, and this is the Henry that was produced for a very long time. But as you can see, the detailing on this new model, I feel like is much better, honestly, than this old model here. It's just much more simple here. Like, you can see, like, the stripes there are pretty thick. Stripes here are pretty thin, which is definitely, I'd say, much more accurate. And yeah, overall, just the detailing on this new model is much bigger. Now, you can see here, something I do like much, much better about these old models, though, is the cab. How much bigger the cab is here. That's definitely much more accurate, I feel like. That cab is just way too small there, honestly. And then the wheels also, too, I feel like the wheels are, honestly, maybe this is just because that's what I'm used to, but I feel like the wheels here are better than these wheels here. And then also the faces, too. I feel like the old face is much better. Now, this new face isn't bad, but it really, I wish that it was more of just a generic face and the eyes weren't looking to, like, the upper right there. And then also, too, I wish that the eyebrows weren't kind of sort of angled in that kind of weird way there. I wish that it was just sort of a normal face there. And the biggest comparison here that I want to make between the two is the size here. I want to see how much bigger this new one is, and wow, it is a lot bigger there. Yeah, so you can see, so my hand, the tenders there are both touching my hand, and you can see this new Henry is so much longer here. It's really interesting how much longer a lot of these new engines are compared to the old wooden railway engines there. So I thought that would be a kind of interesting comparison to make. Now, this here, you can hear what this sounds like. Sorry, I think I hit the camera there, but you can hear what that sounds like. That's not a great sound. You can hear what that sounds like. That's wood. And that's a much better sound to me. It actually sounds, I don't know, it just sounds a lot less cheap here. Whereas this doesn't sound too good there, honestly. But yeah, I mean, I think that this is just a very good model of Henry here. I feel like it's very accurate. It's very, very detailed, that pretty much goes for all these new models. And especially when you think about what we had right before this was Thomas Wood, which was the complete opposite. It was just less detail and cut cost at pretty much every way, honestly. You know, at any point that they could cut costs were cut. Whereas these new models they actually feel pretty nice, and they feel like they were done with some level of care here. So, yeah, I feel like this is just a very good version of Henry there. And, yeah, it is interesting, too. I think I talked about this in the last one of these I did, which was the Edward video. But you can see there how this says Henry's Tender, and it's angled like this, whereas on the old Thomas Wooden Railway model here, it's angled like the text there is angled, or is kind of yeah, set up like that there, which is pretty interesting there as well. So yeah, I think that will pretty much honestly do it for this video here. I think that this is a very good model of Henry here, and also considering that the prices of Henry and here and of Edward are actually very, very similar. I feel like you get a lot more with Henry here, which is just kind of interesting there that the prices are not too different there, honestly. It's just, yeah, I feel like you get a lot more, honestly, with Henry here than you do with that Edward here. Because there's definitely a lot of stuff here and a lot of good stuff for sure. So, yeah, I think that pretty much does it for this video here. This is another very good 2022 Thomas Wooden Railway item that I have been that I've looked at here, and that this is one I've been wanting to take a look at. I definitely got a few more of these that I definitely really do want to take a look at in the future. So yeah, I will definitely be doing more videos on this new line of Thomas Wooden Railway toys, because there are definitely some quality toys in this line here, and they definitely feel like a huge step up from what we had before, which was of course Thomas Wood. But yeah, that'll pretty much do it for this video here. Thank you all for watching my review here on the 2022 Henry. And yeah, I will see you on the next one.